This mind map will quickly help us go through the entire lesson. Lost Spring, N is young. The title, I want to drive a car. Mukesh, the writer, meets, and he's a child laborer in a glass factory. People there are unaware that child labor is a crime, it is illegal. He wishes to be a motor mechanic. He wants to learn to drive a car. He has more passion in his dream, unlike that of Sahib. When the writer goes through with Mukesh to see the city, Firozabad, she's sad to see the living conditions in Firozabad. Only legacy of bangle making is there. People are poverty stricken. Houses are crumbling. Humans and animals, they live in a miserable state. There's stinking lanes. Even Mukesh's house is half built. And the head of the family, grandmother, says it is their karam, destiny, to live in poverty. Probably they have accepted poverty as their destiny. The vicious circle of poverty is surrounding these people. There is the fear of police, lack of leadership. There is irony because children, they are victims. Even a girl child, Savita, another child laborer, the writer tells her story. Probably one day when she'll wear bangles as she grow up and becomes a bride, she will not have her eyesight to see the colors of the bangles, which is a symbol of Suhag. The children are victims. First, by birth, because they are born in a poor family. They have no hope except to take their family occupations. They are exploited by sahukars, middlemen, police, and they have little desire to dream even in childhood. But Mukesh is an exception. He has a dream to be a motor mechanic. He is very practical. He does not wish to fly an aeroplane. That shows he dreams tangible dreams which are attainable. Then the writer, through this two stories, has given a kind of moral and message through the lesson. It talks about the national shame of children being forced to live a life of poverty and exploitation. Child labor is banned, is illegal, but it is thriving in this place. It shares two stories of stolen childhood. The characters and places are different. Sahib-e-Alam in Delhi and Mukesh in Firozabad. But the problems are same. Child labor. Thousands of Sahibs and Mukesh, children like Sahibs and Mukesh, child laborers, they are condemned to live a life of misery and exploitation. Grinding poverty and traditions compel children to work in most inhuman condition and hostile condition. The author succeeds in highlighting the plight of such unfortunate children. The miserable stories of exploitation of Sahib and Mukesh, the author provides glimpses of fortitude and resilience. So, with this, we have come to a close of this lesson, which is a lesson which talks about the problems of child labors. Here, the author has analyzed the grinding poverty and traditions which condemn these children to a life of exploitation. And it's an appeal to the society and community to make the dreams of these children possible. Let them live a normal life of children. So, after the class, you will be given an assignment tomorrow based on the lesson. If you have any query, you can post the queries in the group. Thank you, children.